Jen here from Banana Bone, and today on this video we are doing two brand new gymnastics tutorials, a front walkover and a back walkover tutorial, of course with a little pizzazz. But of course I could not do this video alone. That's why I have my great friend Lizzie! That's right, Lizzie is here ready to help me out film these two front walkover and back walkover tutorials. But make sure to ring that bell and turn on your notifications for subscribe to Banana and Bone and give this video a like. Big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite ice cream flavor is, and make sure you get your merch at shop.spreadshirt.ca/bananabone or link in description. Now, without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So the tricks you should probably have before attempting a front walkover are a handstand, a bridge, and preferably a front limber, but if you don't have that, it's fine. The first step of your front walkover is a handstand. Step is to split your legs. Third step is to go into a bridge with one leg in the air.
Step is to recover. The finishing product after many weeks of practicing.